Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to take a trip out to Hopkins Dairy Farm or Hopkins Creamery. They are a local dairy farm, and they have their own little ice cream walk-up shop. I checked, and they are currently open. So figured I'd go up there, and it's a good outdoor activity. And it's a hot day today, nice, beautiful, blue skies, sunny out. Good day to get some ice cream. And it's a really nice little farm they have there, and they've made a nice area, which I'll show. Nice little kind of outdoor hangout area. They've got stuff for the kids there, and you can see the cows and everything. And then they also have another location, a little walk-up ice cream shop in Dewey Beach, Delaware. That's the only other one I know of for sure. I can't remember if I saw their sign anywhere else. Let's go. Join me. Sometimes in life, you see something that's just so incredible, so mind-boggling, that you simply have to capture it. So, check this out. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that, but there is a line outside the Nike store that goes from the door all the way around the side of it. And it's about 100 degrees out today. I guess maybe they don't know that Nike has an online shop that probably has a better selection than the outlet. I mean, I don't know. Went to Hopkins Dairy Farm, and they were open, so that was good. It's just a little walk-up window. Went ahead and got just a strawberry milkshake. I was gonna get a cone, but it's I I don't know. I just settled on a strawberry milkshake because I haven't had one in a while. It's really good. But yeah, it's a cool little place that they have there, and they're, you know, always really friendly. The ice cream is great. But that was it for today. Just a short little trip. Kind of just popped into my head, spur of the moment, decided to go. So thanks for joining me, and see you on the next video.